Welcome back, viewers. We will continue further with the next package management in this video. So now we will check out how to filter the packages by name. So to filter the packages by name, you have to use nix-env, that is the Nix environment -qap Firefox. So we will try this on the Firefox. So let us try this uap. Then you have to give the command. I think it is how it is written. Just Firefox. Okay. Now let us see what happens. It will show up all the Firefox packages, the ESR versions, stable versions, all these versions of Firefox will be shown in the list that will come up on the screen. Now, for one thing I want to tell you that we have installed the NixOS unstable. So we have installed the ISO from the unstable branch of the NixOS. So that's why we are adding the unstable Nix packages. So the unstable branch packages from the Nix packaging will be installed. So that's why we added the unstable Nix channel. So this, yes, something is killing this process. I don't know. What we can do is let us go back. Let us go back to the system, and what we try to do is we try to update the system once, because there is some issue I can feel. So what we can do is let us try to upgrade the Nix environment. So let us try this Nix env. Let us try to do the update of the Nix environment. Let us see what happens. No operations specified. Okay, so we can do a upgrade. Let us try to do a upgrade of the Nix environment. So okay, what we will do is we will use the dash dash help suffix. Okay, so what we try to do, update matches the GTK. Okay, Q, it is, yes, now it has quitted. I will go back here. What we do is let us try to install Firefox. I think the Firefox is already installed. Let us check. Firefox is there or not. We will have to check. Yes, Firefox is there. Let us open the Firefox. It is taking some time to open up. What we will do is we will check out the version of the Firefox that is installed, and we will try to upgrade the Firefox. Wait for the Firefox. Okay, it is already not responding. Okay, okay, so it has now booted up. We check out the version of Firefox quickly. So the version is where was the version? It was, yes, it was 106.0.5 64-bit. So it is the latest one. And now we will try to do the upgrade of the Firefox. So let us do it. I will again, yes, I will again go back. to the manual. Yes, and some packages. Okay. So what we will do is we will again go back to the NixOS virtual manager, go back to the activities. Now let us try to update some more other packages also. For example, let us try to upgrade something. Okay, let us first do it on the upgrade Firefox. Okay, I think we have done some mistake. Okay, yes, the syntax mistake is there. That's why it did not happen. Now this is the perfect command syntax for upgrading the Firefox package in the Nix environment. So now let us see if the upgrade package is available, then it will upgrade the Firefox. Otherwise, it will return some message that the upgrade is not possible. I think we can even add some packages in a list, so it will upgrade all the packages that are provided as a list. For example, let us go back to activities. We can choose some packages from here. For example, we can choose calculator, cheese, and weather. Let us try to do, or we can go for the update or upgrade of clocks also. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so there is some issue. Everything is getting killed. It should not get killed. All the commands are getting killed. I don't know what is the issue, because you can see the network is it is perfectly wired and it is online. So system is online. There is no issue, and why it is getting killed. Okay, so anyway, but this is the way how you do it. Now let us check out. Now let us try to do a installation of a package. Let us try to install the VLC media player. So Nix environment install Firefox. So now let us try to install. Instead of the upgrade, we will do installation VLC. Let us see what happens. What we do is let us go back. We can uninstall the Firefox. We will try out this command uninstallation. So anyway, uninstallation won't make it go and connect with server, because it is a local command only. It will uninstall the Firefox on your system. So there is no issue with the server or anything like that. Let us see if it happens. I don't know why it is getting killed. Okay, so what we do is we try to uninstall Firefox. At least that command should work. Uninstall Firefox. Match no installed derivations. Okay, so what we try to do is let us try to do it as Mozilla Firefox. Let us see what happens. Mozilla match no derivations. Okay, so I think the Firefox version should be there. Dash 106 dash 0 dash rep .5. Okay, so this is also not working. Okay, selector. Okay, so how to go about? Let me check. Printing. Now let us try to maybe we can just let me open the Nix manual. Now, okay. Okay, what we do is let us change the channel. I think what is happening is we were in the unstable channel. There are no further upgrades because unstable has got the latest packages. So we cannot show you the upgrade or upgrade package commands cannot be run. So what we do is let us try this. Let us try to get the next channel. Now I will go here. Let us try to do this command. So next channel, next channel dash dash list grep NixOS. Okay. Nix. Okay, so right now we are on the unstable branch. So we can shift over to the stable branch. So let us, so what we do is next channel add, okay, next channel dash dash add. Now you have to give the complete path. HTTPS Nix org channels, okay, HTTPS nixos.org channels dash NixOS, okay, NixOS dash 22.04. 22.0. So there is, you have to correct the syntax, remove the gaps, spaces, and again you have to give, I think, NixOS you have to give. Yes, it is NixOS, NixOS. So this will add the channel to the system repos, and then we have to give again a list to show the next channel list or the repo that is activated on the system. So here you can see now we will have to remove the unstable branch. So instead of add we will use remove. That should remove the unstable branch. Channels Nix packages unstable unable to Okay, so what we can do is now let us try to do a upgrade. System upgrade is there. Okay, I think we have chosen the new NixOS channel. So now you have to NixOS rebuild switch upgrade. So you have to use this command. Nix. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to go and do this NixOS dash rebuild. We will do rebuild switch upgrade. Switch upgrade. I think it is double slash check space and then upgrade. Okay, rebuild switch. So that's it. Now you have to. Okay, so there is some issue with the internet connection. It is clearly a issue with the internet connection. Now let me check the wired settings. There is a issue. Otherwise, it could not have failed. I think yes, it is showing connected, but the connection is not working. So what we do is, so what I will do is I will just open the terminal here. Okay, so the internet is not working. Let me check. No, it is working. The ping is there. You can see it here. The ping is. I think the network is slow, but the ping is there. So connection is there, but it is slow. Okay, so what I will do is we will close this once. I will restart the system. Maybe that will solve the problem. Let us restart the system. You can see here the default configuration is there and all the new configuration. So there is one configuration. So we will go in that configuration. System will open from there. And then we will open the terminal and directly try to run the last command that we had done in the earlier session. Yes. Okay, so we will open the terminal. Again, there is a issue with the internet. What we can do is we can just turn it off and then again go and turn it on again. Oh, I made a big mistake. Okay, and now I know what mistake I have made. So this is how you learn. You make mistakes and then where is the next manual? This is the manual. So let the manual open up. Okay, so already the old one was there. Yes. So what we did, the mistake was was copy. Okay, next let us do it again. Next channel, next channel. Then what is it? List grep NixOS dash dash list grep NixOS. So what do you know what mistake we have done? We have done this wrong. So we had put a comma here. That's why the issue was coming. Okay. So again we'll have to add this Nix channel, add HTTPS, all those things. Nix dash channel dash dash add NixOS, add, then what you have to do? HTTPS NixOS. Okay. HTTPS nixos.org. So we had put a comma. Org channels NixOS dash 22.05 NixOS. And now we can run this command. Now it should work. Yes, now it is working perfectly. So it is unpacking the channels, and what it will do, it will use the good repo, that is the last repo that we have added. So it will work, and all other non-working repos not going to work. Yes, and you have to, yes, earlier what, why did the upgrade did not work? Because you have to specify the automatic upgrade. So using this command, so it will enable the automatic upgrades to the system. Otherwise the upgrade won't work. If anyway you type in the terminal, the automatic upgrades won't work. You have to enable the upgrade. So after this NixOS upgrade, we will enable the auto upgrades to the system. So that also we will check. So here you can see it is building from the nixos.org cache. It is building Nix package environment. It is building the system configuration. So everything will be upgraded. So now everything is working. So this is how, when you are trying out a new system for yourself, you will make some mistakes. Never mind, you go ahead, you persist in your efforts, and you will meet success eventually. So even I also did some mistakes, silly mistakes, like using the comma instead of the dot in the and this Nix address, repo address. But all these things are you see, it is learning cost. You have to, if you fail, then you will have more interest in the system, and then you will learn more about the system. So you have to make errors are good for your improvement and development. So this is how the upgrade of the NixOS is going on. So now we are upgrading from the unstable. So we have switching the repos from the unstable to the stable, and we will be installing the NixOS 22.0 for stable version. So this is how it works. Because in the download section, I think we have got only the unstable section on unstable ISO. So unstable ISO comes with a preloaded unstable repo. So we have to change the repo from unstable to the stable repo and install the NixOS 22.05, which is the current OS. So here you can see each package has a unique path. So those paths will be copied from the repos to your system, and it will be installed in the individual path, unique individual path for each package. So the older packages will continue. So the unstable packages will be there in the system, but they won't be interfering with your stable packages. So both will have a different path. You can see here there is a unique identifier for each of the package. For example, this pand sp, it has got a unique package version here, so you can see it here. All these are got unique package identifiers, and each package, each version of the package is a unique with a unique identifier. So all the unique identifiers will install to a unique path in a file path in the system, and two packages of the same application but with different versions will install to different paths, and they won't interfere with each other. They will have a different dependency set also. So they will install with their dependency set as declared by the developer. So even the dependencies also will not clash with each other. So it is a foolproof system. If you practice all these terminal commands for at least 10-15 times, then you will remember these commands also, and you will be start getting used to the system, and you will be comfortable. First 4-5 times when you install a NixOS, you will be uncomfortable, but as you use and rehearse the different commands, you will become more and more comfortable. So my advice to all the new users is to install the NixOS, reinstall, install it 5-10 times, try to do the upgrades, run the different commands that I have just shown you. So once you are master of these commands, then you will be comfortable with the system, and then you are on your own. You can use the NixOS and become a expert in NixOS. So now what we will do is just we will go back. I will open the this settings. Let us check out the version right now. So once this upgrade is done, I will stop the video there, and in the next video we will check out the version of the system. So right now let us check out which version it is, and after the upgrade in the next video we will check out which version it was upgraded to. So that will make you very clear. So right now it is just showing NixOS only, and below it is showing the NixOS 22.0 for Quecca. OS type is 64-bit, GNOME version is 42.2. It is a Wayland windowing system, and virtualization is KVM. So it is unstable branch. Now we will go over to the stable branch of the operating system. So we will check out what is the changes to the build ID and the OS name and the OS type. OS type, of course, it will not change, but what will be the change to the OS name and build? Mostly it will be changed to the build only. Let us see what happens. It is unstable, but now we will be shifting over to the stable branch or the stable channel of Nix packages or NixOS. So it is taking a little bit long time because I think everything will be upgraded from the unstable to stable, and all those commands that I fed earlier, I will do it again in the next video. So we will check out the different packages that are available in the Nix environment. We will try to do the upgrade of packages in the Nix environment. All those things we will do it next, because we see there was some issue with this repo name. So we have done the or modified the repo name correctly, and now things are working. There was no issue with the internet, only issue with the repo name that we had saved in the configuration. This is how the system builds the packages on your system. So this is Nix package manager building the system after downloading all the packages for the upgrade. So that's it. This is the installation of the Nix OS upgrade. So it has been done, and there is some error for this particular package, that is glibc. It is a very important package, glibc. So glibc locals have failed with exit code 1. So there was some issue with the locals for the glibc, failed to build. So there was failure to build due to the dependencies, I think. Unsupported locals were detected. English India, I think, is the unsupported local. So that's why the building of the glibc locals has failed. So that's not, maybe that is not a big issue. It will just shift to the available local, I think. So what we will do is, now I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will try to do all the Nix environment commands. I will try to run, because earlier they got killed because you see we are not on the correct repo. So now we have corrected the repo and everything should work. So in the next video, we will check out the Nix environment commands, different Nix environment commands, and we will check out the new version of the NixOS 22.05 stable upgrade that was installed. So we will check out the system about section again. So see you in the next video. Bye.